welcome back to my channel, guys. So let's just jump in. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to pick up that shade right there. And we're going to use this color as our transition shade. I'm just running this color back and forth as my transition color. Honestly, this feels kind of weird doing a voiceover because I haven't done one in so long. But I just lightly take the color, start to blend it in, and then go back into the palette and pick up a little bit more color just so that I get the transition color that I am going for today. And I am also using a Profusion brush. Next, I'm going to jump into this orange shade here. I absolutely adore this shade, and I'm just going to blend it into the crease. This shade will warm up the crease a little bit more, but we're going to go ahead and go in with more shades to deepen the crease up a little bit. So just taking a Morphe fluffy brush, I really don't remember which one this is, but any fluffy brush will work that fits right into the crease. And just continue running this color back and forth until everything looks nice and smooth and even, and until you get the color that you desire for. I haven't used this palette in so long, and I'm honestly so glad that I whipped this one out today for this video because I absolutely love the look. Now, going into the ColourPop Kathleen Lights, the Zodiac Collection palette, picking up the shade the Virgo, and taking this on a Morphe R39 brush just to deepen up the crease a little bit more. I start on the outer corner of my crease and lightly work my way into the inner corner, picking up a little bit at a time, just deepening up the crease here. Again, going with a little bit, blend it out, a little bit more, blend it out. I absolutely love this brush because I feel like it gets right into the crease of my eye. It fits perfectly in there. I just turn it sideways and I begin to blend it out. And then I also will go back in with other brushes to blend out the crease, but this brush fits right into the crease and gives you pigment where you definitely need it. So then just going back in with a fluffy brush that I used prior to apply the orange shade and just blending this out, making sure everything is nice and even, picking up a little bit of the orange shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette and just beginning to blend, 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 blend. You guys know the drill. Next, going in with this gorgeous forest green shade, and I'm going to focus this color on the outer V portion of my eye. I love this color. I just think that it really enhanced this makeup look, especially with the outer corner. I didn't want to do brown or black or basically any of the colors that I usually put in the outer corner, so I decided to spice it up and change things up here and go with a deep forest green color. Just blend it out, and then I blend a little bit into the crease, but mainly in the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm also going to put a little bit of that in the inner corner of the eye, kind of going for a little halo effect here, or somewhat of it, and just dabbing the forest green color here. Next, taking up this gorgeous teal blue shade called Pool Party, I'm going to blend out the deep green shade and the lid shade. Well, there isn't a lid shade here, but just blend out, just kind of just soften the deep green eyeshadow by putting this light blue teal color here. It really gives it a nice effect once we put on the lid color, and it makes it look very nice, radiant, and gradient, I guess is the word I'm looking for. That way it's not just a harsh line as soon as we apply the lid shade. Then I'm going to take the Pisces color in the Zodiac Collection, and this color was absolutely the showstopper of this eye look. And I just plopped that into the center of the eyelid where we had no pigment or anything. And then I took some but you guys know I can't pronounce that name, but I took basically some setting spray, sprayed it a little bit, went back into the Pisces color, and really packed on the shade here because I wanted it to pop a little bit more, and this color did not let me down. It gave me everything that I was looking for this look. I think it went really well with the deep green and the pool party color. This lid shade was literally everything. Next, I'm going to go back into the Virgo shade and just going back in with my Morphe R39 brush and lightly going over those colors in the crease just to blend them out a little bit more, making sure it's nice and effortless and smooth. Just running back and forth, dipping back into there. Next, I'm going back into the deep forest green color, packing on a little bit more in the inner corner and in the outer corner. And then taking the light blue teal shade called Pool Party and also blending it out, making sure it is nice and smooth and we don't have any harsh lines between the various colors that we have on our lid. Then I'm going to take some of that shade up there. I believe it's called the Aries. I'm not too sure. But I'm going to run this underneath the lower lash line and just go back and forth. I don't want to do too much to the lower lash line just because look at that blue color. I mean, seriously, I don't want to take away from that. So just lightly run that color underneath the lower lash line. Then I'm going to jump into, of course, the dark green shade here. We're going to put that on a Morphe brush and just run that also underneath the lower lash line. Kind of keep it closer to my lashes, but really just running that underneath there, putting a little bit more depth into the lower lash line. Next, taking this gorgeous shade up here, we're going to put this in the middle or my tear duct area, and this will officially complete the look. I do put on some mascara and a lip color, but that is pretty much it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short little video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also give this video a thumbs up. That way I know you guys like these videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye.